Welcome to Global Automotive Insights in English Learning, where expertise meets language.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hydro. It is an honor to have you here today. Our companies have much to discuss, and I hope this meeting will lay the groundwork for a successful and enduring partnership. At Hydro, we believe in strong, strategic collaborations, and we are eager to explore opportunities that will drive innovation and mutual growth.
Rob, thank you for your hospitality. It is a privilege to be here at Hydro's headquarters. As industry leaders, I believe that our companies share a vision for growth, efficiency, and sustainability. Our primary objective is clear: to expand revenue streams and maximize profitability. To achieve this, I propose that we establish a European joint venture as our first step. If we solidify our presence in Europe, we can then expand sequentially into North America and Southeast Asia.
That is certainly an ambitious and well-structured proposal, James. However, let's address the core challenge: cost efficiency. To ensure our competitiveness, I suggest leveraging SJ Metal's production facilities in Korea and Vietnam to manufacture recycled aluminum extrusion products. These could be supplied to the European JV. We could efficiently transport these products to Europe by utilizing Hydro's global logistics network while significantly reducing logistics costs. What are your thoughts?
Dr. Marcus, that's an excellent approach. However, for this partnership to succeed, we need to establish a precise division of responsibilities. We propose that Hydro focus on design and engineering, high-end product manufacturing, and compliance with environmental regulations. SJ Metal will focus on enhancing the efficiency of recycled aluminum and supplying mid to low-end products. This strategic split will allow us to maintain cost efficiency while meeting diverse market demands.
That sounds reasonable. If Hydro is to focus on high-end products and regulatory compliance, we must ensure that SJ Metal's recycled aluminum output meets European Union environmental standards. Sustainability is at the core of Hydro's long-term strategy.
Absolutely, Dr. Marcus. And speaking from a sales perspective, the European JV will be responsible for engaging with regional customers. To ensure fairness, we propose a profit-sharing model of 50-50. This will create an equal and balanced partnership, allowing both companies to benefit from the venture's success. Would Hydro be open to this arrangement?
A 50-50 revenue split is an interesting proposal, but before we finalize this, we must assess the financial and operational feasibility of the JV. My primary concern is minimizing establishment and operational costs while ensuring scalability. I suggest that we carry out a comprehensive financial analysis before making any binding commitments. Additionally, today's discussion must remain strictly confidential. I suggest we draft an MOU to formalize our commitments before proceeding further. Would this be acceptable to SJ Metal?
June, that's a reasonable approach. We certainly understand the need for careful planning. An MOU would provide a strong foundation for our future collaboration. Let's outline key points today and set a timeline for our next steps.
I must say, this discussion has been highly productive. I appreciate the strategic insights from SJ Metal's team. If we align our objectives effectively, I am confident this collaboration will lead to significant success. Let's work towards finalizing the MOU within the next few weeks.
Agreed, Rob. We greatly appreciate Hydro's commitment to this partnership. With the right execution, I believe this JV will not only expand our market share, but also strengthen our position as global leaders in sustainable aluminum production. Let's move forward together.
Ready to accelerate your skills? Stay tuned for more English learning and automotive insights.